for the Lancer. I got this timing belt kit, flex plate off the old engine, putting this one together. So I'm gonna start by cleaning it up. There's a lot of rust. Alright, I didn't give you guys before, but you couldn't even see all the top stuff. That was all cake. This is all flaky because of the, just got all the loose stuff off. Also makes it look easier for us when together and if we see any leaks, so I'll at least start out. So I'm gonna let you guys try off. Alright, next I'm gonna be taking this off. So it doesn't need to be done once again, but that I just took off went there and they touched back here. Look at all this crustiness. See it flake off some. That's what I'm taking off on the whole. This side, do a little bit on the other side. Alright, let's get this plate back on. Gonna part the timing stuff. So I'm gonna get belt on this bad boy. So this timing belt's behind this cover. Bracket right now. When I take things off, I like to put them back just so it's easy to remember. I got this timing belt kit, nothing fancy. Bubble wrap. Alright. Timing belt. Looks good, close enough. Let's see what this is. A timing belt. There's a marking right here. Line them both up, put the tension on. Now I'm just putting it back together. Alright guys, so that's the timing belt, timing cover, and then later you'll see me be putting the trans engine.